Welcome to House Lux Estate, your trusted guide to smarter living. We're here to help navigate the ever-changing landscape of personal finance, offering advice that's not just practical, but also achievable. Today, we're turning our attention to a topic that resonates with many: 10 money-saving tips for low-income earners. These tips aren't just about cutting corners, they're about making informed decisions and cultivating habits that foster financial health. So, without further ado, let's delve into the ways you can save money, regardless of your income level. Our first tip is budgeting. It's a simple concept, but its power cannot be overstated. Budgeting is essentially the act of tracking your income and expenses and planning how you're going to spend your money. It's the backbone of personal finance, and it's a tool that everyone, regardless of income, should be using. Creating a budget is straightforward. First, write down your total income. Next, list out all of your expenses. This includes everything from rent and groceries to your Netflix subscription and your morning coffee. Once you've done this, subtract your expenses from your income. This will show you how much money you have left to save. If you're spending more than you're earning, it's time to make some changes. Look at your expenses and see where you can cut back. Sticking to a budget can help you save money. It gives you control over your finances and ensures that every dollar is accounted for. Remember, a budget is not a restriction, but a plan that gives you freedom to spend without guilt or worry. Our second tip is eliminating unnecessary expenses. Now hold on, we're not suggesting you live like a hermit. This is all about being smart with your spending, about distinguishing between wants and needs. Imagine you're in a store, eyeing that shiny new gadget. But ask yourself, do you really need it, or is it just a want? More often than not, we buy things out of impulse, not necessity. This is where the art of elimination comes in. Start by identifying your non-essential expenses. That daily latte, a want. The expensive cable package you barely use, definitely a want. Cut these out, and you'll be surprised at how much you can save. Remember, every dollar saved is a dollar earned. It's about making the right choices, about knowing when to splurge and when to save. It's these small daily decisions that can make a massive impact on your financial health. Your financial health often depends on the small daily choices you make. The third tip we have for you is buying in bulk. Now you may think, but isn't that going to cost me more upfront? True, it might. But let's think long term. When you buy in bulk, you're essentially getting more for less. This could mean a significant decrease in your monthly grocery bill. Plus, you're making fewer trips to the store, which saves on gas, time, and the temptation to buy items you don't really need. It's crucial to be strategic about what you buy in bulk. Non-perishable items like canned goods, rice, and pasta are great choices. So are items you use daily, like toilet paper or soap. Just make sure you have enough storage space at home and you're not buying more than you can use before it expires. Remember, buying in bulk is a strategy, not an excuse to hoard. Our fourth tip involves using coupons and discounts. Now, you may wonder, where do you find these? Well, there are numerous sources. Your local Sunday newspaper is often a goldmine of coupons. Online platforms such as Groupon offer a variety of deals. Mobile apps like Honey automatically apply discounts at checkout when shopping online. Don't overlook the power of store loyalty programs either. These programs often provide exclusive discounts to their members. And remember, a penny saved is a penny earned. These coupons and discounts can significantly reduce the cost of your groceries and other essential items. It's like the store or brand is helping you to stretch your dollar further. And here's a pro tip. Don't just use a coupon because you have it. Use it strategically. Wait for sales and then apply your coupons to get the most bang for your buck. Coupons and discounts are like free money. Use them wisely. Our fifth tip is cooking at home. Now this can be a game changer. Eating out can be a luxury, and while it's convenient, it's often more expensive than preparing your own meals. Let's break it down. Think about a simple dish like spaghetti bolognese. At a restaurant, you might pay $15 for a single serving, but when you cook at home, buying all the ingredients might cost you around $10. And guess what? You'll have enough for multiple servings. And it's not just about saving money. Cooking at home also gives you control over what goes into your food. You can choose fresh, wholesome ingredients, cut down on unhealthy additives, and cater to any dietary restrictions or preferences you have. Meal planning and prep can make the process even more cost-effective. Plan your meals for the week, make a shopping list, and stick to it. You'll avoid impulse buys and food waste. Home cooking doesn't just save money, it can also be healthier and more satisfying. Our sixth tip is about DIY projects. Now, you may be thinking, I'm not a handyman or I don't have the skills. But don't worry. There are an incredible number of resources available online, from YouTube tutorials to step-by-step guides that can teach you how to do almost anything. From basic home repairs to crafting your own decor, learning to do these tasks yourself can save significant amounts of money over time. Imagine not having to call a plumber every time your sink leaks or being able to create your own unique pieces of furniture. Not only can this save you money, but it also gives you a sense of accomplishment and pride in your work. Plus, it's a great way to learn new skills and even discover new hobbies. Who knows? You may find you have a knack for woodworking or a passion for painting. DIY projects can be fun, rewarding, and most importantly, cost-effective. Our seventh tip is thrift shopping. Now, don't dismiss this as just for the hipsters and vintage lovers. Thrift shopping is a goldmine for everyone. It's a fantastic way to save money and still find quality items, sometimes even brand new with tags still on. You see, thrift stores are brimming with gently used items at a fraction of the original cost. From clothing, furniture, books to kitchenware, the variety is endless. But it's not just about the cost savings. Thrift shopping also allows you to find unique items that add a touch of personality to your wardrobe or home. It's about making your money work harder for you, stretching every dollar to its maximum potential. And here's the kicker. You're also contributing to a more sustainable world by giving a second life to items that might otherwise end up in landfills. So next time you're out shopping, consider stopping by a thrift store. Thrift shopping is like a treasure hunt, and the treasure is savings. Our eighth tip is energy efficiency. Energy efficiency is not just a buzzword, it's a lifestyle change that can lead to significant savings. It's all about using less energy to perform the same tasks. This reduces the amount of energy wasted, which in turn reduces your energy bills. Let's talk about energy-efficient appliances. They might cost a bit more upfront, but they can save you money in the long run. For instance, an energy-efficient refrigerator can use up to 40% less energy than conventional models. That's a significant saving over the appliance's lifetime. But it's not just about appliances. Simple habits can also make a big difference. Turning off lights when you leave a room, unplugging electronics when they're not in use, and using natural light when possible can all help reduce your energy consumption. Consider energy-efficient alternatives like LED bulbs. They last longer and consume less energy than traditional incandescent bulbs. Being energy efficient is good for the planet and your wallet. Our ninth tip is using public transportation. The cost savings of choosing public transportation over owning and maintaining a car are substantial. When you consider car payments, insurance, fuel, maintenance, and parking, the expense of a private vehicle can quickly add up. On the other hand, public transportation often offers a more economical alternative. And it's not just about buses or trains. Carpooling is another great option that can split the cost of travel among several people. Plus, it's an eco-friendly choice that reduces the number of cars on the road. Biking or walking, when possible, is also a fantastic way to save money. Not only does it cost you nothing, but it also has the added benefit of being good for your health. So next time you're planning a trip, consider these options. Every trip you don't take in your car is money saved. Our final tip is automatic savings. Imagine having a personal financial assistant who takes care of your savings for you. That's essentially what automatic savings is. Most banks offer a service where a set amount of money is automatically transferred from your checking account to your savings account every time you receive a paycheck. It's like having a portion of your income disappear into a magic savings pot before you even get a chance to spend it. This method has two main benefits. First, it ensures that you're consistently saving money. It's a set-it-and-forget-it approach that requires minimal effort on your part. Second, it helps you avoid the temptation to spend what you should be saving. Since the money moves automatically, it's out of sight and out of mind. You learn to live on what's left after savings. Automatic savings is not about making huge sacrifices. It's about making small, consistent efforts that add up over time. Automatic savings is a simple way to build wealth without thinking about it. And there you have it, 10 money-saving tips that can make a big difference. From budgeting to buying in bulk, eliminating unnecessary expenses to using coupons, cooking at home, tackling DIY projects, thrift shopping, becoming energy efficient, utilizing public transportation, and setting up automatic savings. Each step is a stepping stone to a more financially secure future. So go on, give them a try. Don't forget to subscribe to House Lux Estate for more financial advice. Remember, every penny saved is a step towards financial freedom.